Hey guys, this is Chadley here at MetalWorks with an update on our 70 Chevelle body swap video. If you didn't catch the first video, that was taking you through the full process of assembling the Art Morrison chassis. And now this video is all about the arrival of the Chevelle at the shop, through the full teardown, and now through the process of Randy painting the firewall and then Raptor undercoating the entire underbody of the car. So let's jump on in it. Alright guys, here's an arrival look at our latest project. This is a 1970 Chevelle Malibu. We're going to be body swapping the 70 onto an Art Morrison chassis. It'll also be receiving a 495 horsepower LS3. So again, we'll be retaining the original appearance of the Chevelle while giving it all the modern performance that an Art Morrison chassis and an LS combo can provide. Take a look at the original 307. So this should be a fun build. We'll go through the full process of assembling the Art Morrison chassis as well as the body swap of the Chevelle body onto the chassis. It's really a nice clean bodied car. We retain as much of that originality as possible, as well as giving it the modern performance. Alright, you can see Justin removed the door panels and then pressure washed the inside of the Chevelle. Alright guys, you can see Justin's working on getting the 307 pulled, getting all the components out of the engine bay. A little bit of progress with the inner fenders out, the grill and bumper off. Car actually still has two original T3 headlights in it, which is pretty cool.
Maybe I have seen it, it's just been a long time.
And then there's a, like he got the scam with, yeah, there you go, 8K47.
Another quick look at the Chevelle during the teardown process. Got the heater core out of it. The Chevelle was actually manufactured in Canada.
Didn't miss one thing. What's that? So didn't miss it.
All right, here we can see that Justin has been working on scraping the factory undercoat off from underneath the Chevelle. Need to get all this off so we can do the Raptor undercoating. But it's a amazingly solid car. Really cool to see. So the Chevelle body is in the paint booth for Raptor coating. So just a quick look at what it looks like after it's been cleaned up of the factory undercoat. See up inside the wheel tubs. So we'll see what it looks like here after Raptor coat. Alright guys, you can see that Randy has got the firewall sprayed. He shot it in sealer, then base coat, and then a satin clear coat. So now I'll be doing the rest of the undercarriage in the Raptor undercoating. Alright guys, the Chevelle's all unmasked. In the firewall you can see the nice split between the paintwork and the Raptor. So that's where things stand with the Chevelle body swap project. Check back. We'll have another video for you guys real soon. Take care.